A trend channel in Forex trading is a technical analysis tool that consists of two parallel trend lines that encompass the price movement of a currency pair. It provides traders with a visual representation of the price trend and helps identify potential entry and exit points within a defined price range. Components of a trend channel: upper trend line. This line connects the series of higher highs in an uptrend. It acts as a dynamic resistance level that contains the upward price movement. Lower trend line. This line connects the series of higher lows in an uptrend. It serves as dynamic support that prevents the price from falling further. Parallel lines. The upper and lower trend lines run parallel to each other, creating a channel within which the price tends to oscillate. Types of trend channels: ascending channel. In an ascending channel, both the upper and lower trend lines slope upwards. This indicates a healthy uptrend where buyers are in control, and the price is making higher highs and higher lows. Descending channel. In a descending channel, both trend lines slope downwards. This suggests a downtrend characterized by lower highs and lower lows, indicating that sellers dominate the market. Horizontal channel. In a horizontal channel, the upper and lower trend lines are relatively flat. This indicates a sideways or ranging market where neither buyers nor sellers have a clear advantage. Using trend channels, traders can consider buying near the lower trend line in an uptrend and selling near the upper trend line. Conversely, in a downtrend, traders may consider selling near the upper trend line and buying near the lower trend line. Trend channels can also help identify potential breakout or breakdown points. A breakout above the upper trend line could indicate a continuation of the trend, while a breakdown below the lower trend line might signal a potential trend reversal.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free consultation? Go to the CADJPY Academy website. Select Consultant Appointment in the main menu and finally set up an appointment to talk with our experts.
We express our gratitude for your attention. CADJPY Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.